Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change a review on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is you simply have to first access a particular Etsy app on your phone, and then after you have done so, the thing is that if you want to check on the review, let's go ahead first. So first you have, let's say, added some reviews. Then this is the product, and these are some of the reviews, right? So if you have done so, you're simply gonna go ahead, go to your use section below, and tap on this reviews option given below. And here in this section you will find all of the reviews that you have done so far listed, including this edit review option beside. Once you tap on it, you will get to edit your review. Whatever you have typed in, whatever you have written, you can again redo it according to your liking, and you can tap on save, and then your review will be edited and will be listed there, the edited one. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.